Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add or change the predefined text series that work with Excel's AutoFill handle. Step 1. Quick reminder of AutoFill. In a previous video, I showed you how AutoFill works. For example, if I type Monday, then drag the fill handle down, Excel automatically fills in Monday through Sunday, and then it repeats. It works the same way for months and a few other built-in lists. Step 2. Accessing custom lists. One of my viewers pointed out that you can actually create your own lists to use with AutoFill. Here's how. Click on the File tab in the top left. Go to Options. Select Advanced. Scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll find the General section. Click on Edit Custom Lists. Here you'll see some of the predefined lists Excel already has, like days of the week and months. Step 3. Creating your own list. Let's make a new one. Maybe instead of English days of the week, I want them in Spanish. So I'll type out lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And yes, it's a good idea to include the proper accents. Now I click OK, then OK again to exit the options window. Step 4. Using your custom list. Back on the sheet, I type lunes, then drag the fill handle down. Excel now fills in the rest of the days in Spanish. Tip. If there's already data in the column next to where you're filling, you don't have to drag. You can just double-click the fill handle, and Excel will automatically extend the series down to match the length of the adjacent data. Step 5. Managing your lists. If you ever want to edit or remove a list, just go back into Options, Advanced. Edit Custom Lists. You can delete the list you no longer need. Another useful feature here is Import. For example, you could type a custom sequence directly into a worksheet, highlight that range, and then import it into your custom lists, so it's saved for future use. So, that's how you can create and manage custom lists in Excel to supercharge the AutoFill handle. You're not limited to days and months. You can put in anything you want. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post my next Excel tutorial. See you in the next one.